Seatext is artificial intelligence for the website. It predicts what text should see that particular visitor based on the data it has. It's capable of running experiments by itself and grow experiments. So basically, it's creating the text and test it. It's also able to get a lot of data to understand how it should change the text for that particular visitor, and it slowly grow conversion rate over time, increasing for the website. It's also show the results how it's improved the text, and let's see how it works. So first of all, the webmaster of the owner of the website should install Text, and we support more than 200 platforms. It's just a simple JavaScript. All the dynamic platforms like React, for example, or experimentations platform like Optimizely is supported. Then the person goes to the main AI hub, which allows to basically tell the AI what exactly he need to focus and what type of traffic it will work on. So there is a general model. General model is allowing to is basically automatically create the new text variations, then test it and understand which text for which audience working the best. It's very general approach. It takes all the possible data, but there is specialized models which a little bit better in some segments. For example, one specialized model is AI for online stores that basically do the same job but for product description. Because Optimizely and Amazon find that the product description text is a key element to improve the conversion rate in stores. The one product which is very popular, it's translation model, as named it, is basically here AI knows, okay, the person goes from another country, we need to translate it. And I think the main benefit here is that it's very easy to install. It translates your website, for example, your SaaS, in less than few days for 125 languages. It doesn't basically cost nothing for us and nothing for the clients, and clients just use it for translation. But in general, the model is capable of working in many languages. The other model, which is very interesting, is that and it's used mostly for sales, not for the marketing. It's basically you're the sales, you work by sending cold emails, you're sending LinkedIn messages. And the thing is that you can send a link which will be personalized and talk about the problem of the business. So now the marketers in the emails, they make personalized text, basically trying to increase the response rate, and they use the data from Clay or other sources. And this is the next step. They add the link, and if the prospect clicks on that link, it sees the website of the sales guy, personalize it for him. So here I rewrite the website for that person, and in a prompt it could be anything. It could be data about company, data about the person itself, the problems, everything could be there. And this AI is quite clever in personalizing, especially for one person. The other, which is very popular product, which we launched recently, is that each Google Ads campaign has thousands of keywords, and the problem is that the keywords usually doesn't feed the landing page perfectly. So what we do, we take all of these 1,000 keywords and rewrite for each keyword the landing page. So what customer see, it's when he clicks advertising, he see exactly the page which answer his question or his request, and this increase conversion rate dramatically, and this increase the engagement and decrease the cost of the click in the Google Ads, because Google actually like this practice. Uh, the product which we are developing right now, which is now in testing, is that we take the source of the traffic. For example, the article. I read that article, understand the context, and after that rewrite the landing page for any traffic coming from that page, from the article itself. It's needed, for example, for online stores. So you have, I don't know, something about the funny T-shirts. So you need to show to the customers which click on the link only funny T-shirts. So this page, which is just about T-shirts, can be rewritten. Or there is a second option, is that the webmaster can make a decision that if traffic coming from there, we need to redirect it to the product page immediately. And this is very helpful for any businesses which know that for example, news is just given the links directly to their website, not to the product page. And they know that this person coming from this article will be interested in that product, I don't know, car credit. And that's why he need to be immediately forwarded to the product page, which has much better conversion, and the person just don't need to look for the page. This is, I think, going to be the next best selling of our products. And also, we make a lot of free products just to attract the people. One of them is, for example, that decrease the scrolling speed on the websites, because people now scroll websites very quickly. They don't read messages. And by the way, only this gives 12% of conversion rate growth. So Seatext AI is not traditional marketing. It's a new way when in milliseconds I understand how it need to change the text. The marketers feed it with information. Marketers help it to make decisions, but all decisions are made in milliseconds, and the change dynamically change, in text dynamically change. Thank you.